Welcome to Get Healthy with Dr. Cooper, a program designed to educate you on healthy lifestyle for you to improve your health, prevent diseases, or reverse diseases. Today, as you look at my table, I have 2 trays of very colorful vegetables. You can see I have squash, different color squash. I have broccoli and cauliflower and other vegetables here. Now, when you choose your plate should be colorful because different colors bring in different nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. This is a very easy dish. It's all in one plate. You'll have your vegetables and your protein in the same plate. Now, if you don't like these vegetables, feel free to choose whatever vegetable you and your family like. We're just going to toss them together like this. Toss them all together. I'm using here 1 medium-sized squash, another medium-sized squash, yellow squash, and I'm using some broccoli, and of course, potato. This potato has complex carbohydrate, so your sugar should not be elevated if you are diabetic. And I'm going to be using some cauliflower. Cauliflower and broccoli, they're high in antioxidant and good to prevent cancer and heart disease. Now for the protein, I'm going to be using some tofu. And I'm using hard tofu that you just cut in cubes. Now to that, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoonfuls of good oil. This is grapeseed oil, high in omega-3. I'm using 2 tablespoonfuls. And then I have some onions here. Let's put our onions. So we're going to put our onions already cut. And then to that, you can add whatever spice you want to add. Now for the salt, you're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce. We're going to get that in there, 2 tablespoonfuls. Now for the spices, feel free to add whatever spice you like. So if you like Italian seasoning, add some Italian seasoned spices there. So we're going to add some of this. Now for me, I like garlic and I like onion. So I'm going to put my garlic and onion there. So we're just going to put maybe a teaspoonful of each. Okay. And then I also like Mrs. Dash. It's non-salty. So we're going to add some of this. And any other spice you like, you can add that. Then you're going to toss this all together. Get everything mixed properly. And then you are going to pour that in a tray or in a dish, Pyrex dish. All right, so we're going to pour this out here. And make sure everything is properly stirred together so we can have the spice all over. Nicely done. All right, you can continue to stir. Make sure it's evenly distributed. And then you're going to bake this at 350 for an hour. Now I have some already prepared for you. So let's look at the finished product. Very delicious, multicolored, different vegetables bring different minerals. For more recipe, don't hesitate to go to gethealthywithdrcooper.com or cooperwellnesscenter.tv and visit us on Facebook. I'll see you next time, same station.